With no gas, no fumes, no fuss, Tomahawk Electric Compactors achieve superior performance with unstoppable power, longer runtimes, and dependability you can trust. Join us today as we guide you through the unboxing and assembly process. Let's jump in. Begin by carefully cutting through the packaging. To attach the handles, remove the existing nuts and bolts from the connection points. Then, align the upper handles to the connection points of the lower handles. Then, replace the nuts and bolts and secure the handles in place with a 17mm socket and 17mm wrench. To achieve the best results when using your Tomahawk plate compactor, it's essential to follow a few key guidelines. To support the compactor's powerful motor, use a 12-gauge extension cord to handle the higher electrical current. Next, plug the cord into a 20-amp home outlet to support the compactor's higher power demands. And when you're ready to start compacting, start at one edge, moving the compactor forward in a straight line, and with each pass, overlap the previously compacted area by a third to a half of the plate width to eliminate any gaps or unevenness in the compacted surface. And with these guidelines in mind, you're well on your way to achieving professional-grade results. And as always, for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.